that do anything? No. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this look right here. I wanted to do something on the green side, but I wanted to do something different with my liner. So as you can see, I added a red liner today. You don't need to do that. This is just something that I wanted to try out. But this look was really easy. I used two different palettes. You can use whatever you have. But if you want to see how I got this look and what shadows and palettes I use, then please keep on watching. So starting off with my Modern Renaissance palette, I'm just going to apply a little bit of raw sienna and burnt orange using my Vasanti brush. And I'm just going to buff this all over my upper crease. Okay, so the next palette I'm going to use is the Anastasia Prism palette. I'm using the same Vasanti brush. And I'm going to add a little bit of Eden and a very small amount of Saturn. Small amount. Tap off any extra and bring this right onto my crease. Then going in with my Morphe M441 brush, I'm going in with Parallel. This is from the same Prism palette. I'm going to really work this in my crease. I'm going back with a little bit of Eden and Saturn using the same Vasanti brush, and I'm really blending that out. I didn't like the way the brown was blending. So I like this side a lot more than this side. I'm actually just going to take a no-name brush and just add a little bit of concealer onto my lid. So now I'm going to go in with Throne using the same brush. Just really packing on that color onto my lid, and I'm just pushing, just stamping the product on. So now that the eyeshadow is neatly packed onto my lid, I'm going to go in with a smaller fluffy brush, which is the M506. That's what I have on my hand. Going back in with a little bit of Throne, just using a very small amount. And I don't want this line to be really harsh. So I'm going to start buffing it out just slightly. So it's a lot more diffused. Now that the shadow is diffused, I'm going in with the Sigma pencil brush. I'm going to go in with some raw sienna and burnt orange. And I'm going to start buffing this onto the lower lash line. And I'm bringing that color all the way in. Now going in with the Morphe M433 brush, I'm going to go in with a little bit of Eden and Saturn and start blending this below also. Taking a flat shader brush, and I'm going in with a little bit of Parallel, and I'm bringing this really close to the lower lash line. And just running it to over here. If you need to go back in with a little bit of Eden and Saturn, I just want a little bit of darkness, but I don't want to use black. Just keep building it until you're happy. So I'm going to go in with my Nikkietutorials and Ofra highlighter in Everglow. And I think I want to try using the lightest shade and pop this into my inner tear ducts. I go in with a little bit of golden ochre from Modern Renaissance and add it to my brow bone. So I think for my eyeliner, I want to use the SUVA Beauty Hydra Fix liner in Cherry Bomb, which is a really nice matte red. And I'm just using just a little a little painting brush that I got from Michael's. This shade right here, which is that really nice champagne. I like using a larger fluffy brush. Oh, that is pigmented. Using the same highlighter, I'm going to highlight my nose. Oh, that's bright. Then going in with my Tarte blush, I'm using Paaarty. Just applying a small amount on the apples of my cheek. If you guys notice, I use the same few blushes in my videos. I don't have a lot of blushes because I'm not a huge fan of them. So the ones that I do have, I like. So for my lips, I'm going to keep it really simple. We're going to just do a nude. I'm going to go in with Max Whirl and Colourpop's Quickie lipstick. This is too pink. Oh. I'm adding a little bit of Peachstock. Does that do anything? So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye.